Hi friends, my name is Ghanshyam Chawatia. My company name is Top Crane System Private Limited. Basically, we are dealing in the material handling products. We are manufacturing wire of hoist, EOT crane, chain hoist, and all the material handling products. Our unit is available at Rajkot. We are manufacturing the wire of hoist and EOT crane. In EOT crane, single gutter, double gutter. We are manufacturing from 1 ton to 50 ton EOT crane capacity. We are also manufacturing crab also for the foundry application, forging application and steel plant. Yes, our factory is available in 3,000 square feet. We have all in-house facility. We are doing all the laser cutting by laser cutting machine. We are using the Geo Anjana IP65 pendant in our hoist. We are using all the EOT materials and auto gear system like smooth and very low noise in the latest technology we are using in our crane. We have available our load testing capacity and all the fabrication conveyor line in our plant. And we have available design part, design department, testing department, QC department. We are doing all the hoist with our PDI checklist. More than 50 customers are very happy and we have testimonial in written in our premises. We are supplying in the Reliance, NTPC, government and Rajkot, so many big companies. There is our brand promise to maximize customer satisfaction 100% guaranteed. We are trying to satisfy our customer 100%. We are giving service within 4 hours. We have service team and installation team, and we are caring for that and taking our customer as our relation. This is our world is our family and our customer is our family member. So we are coordinate and we are behaving with them. So in future we have to become a biggest company in the material handling product. It's our vision. We are associated with NG Expo last 2 years. Last year we are also in we have get so many benefit by NG Expo. NG Expo is a very good platform for expand our business, and we will associate with them. And in future, we will also cooperate with them and associate with them. Thank you.